Alright, we're about halfway there now. Had to pause the last one. Look at the sky. Sun is going down. We got to a part that has been nicely snow blown. A nice respite from plowing through the track that they're in, which is where I'll be in a minute. Another mailbox. No mailman today. Neither rain nor sleet nor snow, unless it's snow. It would be hard to get a mail truck through this stuff. This is the path on the main road. But the call of chocolate chip cookies was too great. So we ventured out. Here we go. Corner of Tottenham Lane and Bishop's Way. Heck, I can't even recall walking up to the Brandts when it wasn't snowy out. Not sure why we chose today to make the trek. Apparently it's my fault. Let's see. Here they are. Way ahead. Slow poke falling back. Some road tracks to walk on. That's a lot easier. These trees covered with snow.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Well, thank you.
We're at Tottenham Way. Looks like some trucks have come by here. No snowplow, but someone got out this morning. How's it taste, Riley?
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Alright. Here we go. Look at the sky. Almost sundown. Riley's still getting some of the... Is the snow yellow there, Riley?
What?
Did you get some of the yellow snow? Lemonade? Let's go. Looks like it's time to pose for pictures. Depending how much patience you have. Say hi to YouTube.
I'm gonna die.
Putting that on YouTube?
Sure. Do you want to do something silly?
She's
this.
I've already embarrassed myself enough on YouTube.
I'm gonna tag it with your name so everyone can see it.
You don't have to do that.
Okay, you guys
Oh,
all
yeah.
get together.
Ready?
What did you do on YouTube?
I had a dance that my
Okay.
brother put on.
Show us the dance.
Oh, I could.
Oh, I have the house in the back.
Call the snow
Mom,
dance.
hurry up.
I want it to be good. One more.
I think you only get one shot with the Viener family. That's it.
So it was so funny seeing your snowflowers come down, just following their little snow thrower thing and the other guys with the shovels behind him.
Tracy's like, Tracy arranged all that.
Oh, really?
They're over there doing your driveway. I was like, I didn't even know they were there. She said, don't let them leave without coming over here.
Well, I guess they couldn't get their truck down.
So much gas.
Actually, show us the snow dance.
Yeah.
All right.
You can't really do it in the snow. Yeah, okay, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Too funny.
All right, well, you guys have fun. You need anything over there?
Oh, I think we're good.
We're good.
How
If
about
you
guys?
go to the right, it's so hard.
We won't go
Not
to the
for
right.
me.
Yeah. It's certain death.
All right, see you guys later.
Jolie, say something funny. Jolie, look, you're in 3D.
Ask me that question. Am I in 3D?
Yes.
Here, Jolie, you want to put
Do
this
something funny.
You have to say something funny.
Say something funny.
Something funny.
That's not funny.
No, you said say something funny. I said something.
All right, literal boy. I thought you were funny. You were my last hope. Hey, stop. Let's go. Continue on.
Can I eat? No.
I don't know. Can you eat the yellow snow?
No.
Continue on.
Ah!
Riley, stop. Let's go.
I didn't know she wanted another picture, so I flopped down. So.
Here's the sky. We're on the final stretch. Home stretch, Jolie. Let's go. Here's the Willards cars. They're not going anywhere.
No, they're not.
Look, someone made a snowman. Let's see if we can zoom in on it.
Can I flop down for the YouTube?
Sure. Hold on. Go ahead.
No, it's good.
All right, that's it.